We can use the energy level diagram in the Bohr model of the atom to rank transitions between levels. We can compare two emission processes, n equal 5 to n equal 2 versus n equal 4 to n equal 2, and determine which gives a photon of greater frequency. In this notation, the arrow shows we're starting in the first level and going to the second. We recognize this as emission since we're starting in a higher level and going to a lower level. We locate the two transitions on the diagram, with n equal 5 to n equal 2 represented by the blue arrow, and n equal 4 to n equal 2 represented by the red arrow. Notice that 5 to 2 is a greater energy jump. We recall that energy and frequency are directly proportional, so the greater energy transition will also give a photon of the greater frequency. If we want to know which gives a photon of greater wavelength, we recall that frequency and wavelength are inversely proportional. The greater wavelength transition will be the smaller frequency and smaller energy transition. This would be the 4 to 2 transition. We can also compare two absorption processes, n equal 1 to n equal 3 and n equal 4 to n equal 6. We locate these two transitions on the diagram. Even though each is a jump of 2 levels, notice that the higher energy levels are more closely spaced together. The transition of greater energy would be 1 to 3.